After researching a lot, I found an outstanding AI tool called DubDub Lab. It's basically a text-to-speech synthesis tool with an advanced option. It has more than 400 voice models with more than 500 voice styles. DubDub can generate audio from text in more than 50 languages. You can generate voiceovers in different emotions like sad, excitement, anger, and more. Next, DubDub is integrated with ChatGPT Pulse, which means you can generate your script with this tool. And don't need to use ChatGPT or other chatbots separately. This AI assistant allows you to create video script, marketing pitch, tutorial script, creative story, website copy, ad copy, blog post, e-commerce copy, podcast. That's why I select this tool. I will show you how good it is. There are some other use cases also. Even you can improve your writing with this tool. If you use ChatGPT, you have to be good at prompt. But this customized tool is very user-friendly, and you don't need to be very good at prompt writing. This tool has another awesome feature called Talking Photo. This means you don't need to pay separately for any AI avatar tool like Did or others. If you want to create a video podcast, then this tool will help a lot. Because its synthesis quality is amazing and realistic. I will show you later. Next, you can also create transcript with this tool. If you have an audio or video file and you want to create a subtitle for those, then this tool can be the best option for you. Another awesome feature of this AI tool is clone voice and face. DubDub can clone your voice and can generate voiceover with your own voice. If you have a sweet voice but don't have a good environment and equipment for recording your voice, then you can use this tool. You have to record your voice only one time, and you will able to generate voiceover with your voice lifetime. You can clone your face also with this tool. It will help you to make videos. That's amazing, isn't it? Alright friends, let's create a free account to start our journey. You can create an account with your email account or with Google and Facebook account. After creating an account, click on Start for free here. This is DubDub Creator Studio, and here is the text box. We have to enter our text here. As we will generate script with AI, I will select AI Writer instead of entering any text. Click on Ask AI to Write. There are so many options available here. But today I will create a podcast, and no podcast option is available here, so I am clicking on See More. And I found the podcast option. Now we have to enter the subject of our podcast. For example, I am writing World War II. After entering your podcast subject, simply hit the Enter button. The AI assistant is now writing the podcast script for us. You don't need to do any deep research now. That's amazing. AI makes things easier. After completing the script generation, you can review it. You can create a longer version or a shorter version. If you don't like it, you can regenerate the script again. If you are satisfied with the script, click on Done Form here. It has generated a script with instructions for music and visuals. We need to delete the instructions. But we won't delete the narrator part at this moment. As we are creating podcast with multiple speakers, it will help us to select the spokesperson. Now to select the spokesperson, click on the avatar icon from here. After clicking on it, a new pop-up will appear. Here you can change the voice style for different use cases. Then you can change the speed of the voice. You can even change the pitch of the voice. On the left side, you will notice a filter to select your voice model. You can select quality, then the language. DubDub supports more than 50 languages. After selecting the language, you can change the accents also. Next, you can select the scenario. I am selecting podcast. After that, it's voice style. Select the style you need, such as chat, newscast, and many more. And the last is sex. Select a male or female voice, whatever you need. After applying all of this filter, you will easily find your desired voice model. After selecting the voice model, select the voice style you need. After selecting the spokesperson and style, you can hear a preview. Host, welcome to the Untold Stories of World War II, the podcast that takes you on a journey through one of the most significant events in human history. But the question is, we are creating a podcast which has multiple speakers. So how can we change the spokesperson where it's needed? I am coming there. Before that, let's have a look at how can we improve our audio quality. If you think any of your word is not pronounced perfectly, you can fix it with the alias tool. Just select the word and then enter your pronunciation. Next, with this phoning tool, you can enter EPA for any dedicated word, and it will work in the whole script. Then with this say as tool, you can change the pronunciation of any number or symbol. Next, you can emphasize any word with this tool. After that, you can control the speed of any part of your audio with this local speed tool. Just select the text where you want to increase or decrease the speed and then select the speed. Now the most important tool for us, the multi-speaker tool. With this tool, you can select multiple speakers for any paragraph or line. Just mark the line or paragraph and then click on this tool. After that, change the voice model. Alright, there are some other features also available here. You can add pauses everywhere you want. Then you can add sound effects to your audio. It's very useful to any video creator. Even you can add background music. Alright, now we will use the multi-speaker tool and add spokesperson for every paragraph. Choose your desired spokesperson for every paragraph. And then delete the spokesperson's name. That's why I didn't delete it earlier. Now it's helping us not to be confused. After completing the process, you can make a preview. Welcome to the Untold Stories of World War II, the podcast that takes you on a journey through one of the most significant events in human history. I'm your host, and today, we will be diving deep into the untold stories, lesser-known facts, and personal accounts of World War II. So, buckle up and get ready to learn something new about this monumental time in our history. World War II, spanning from 1939 to 1945, was a global conflict that if you are not satisfied, customize it again. And if you are satisfied with it, then hit the generate button form here. After completing the audio generation, you can export it or can make a video with it. Yes, DubDub allows you to make a video with their online video editor. Alright friends, if you want to create an audio podcast, then your work has been done. But I will suggest checking out another feature of DubDub. This is the DubDub Talking Photo Tool.